everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to save money on groceries at Costco. Here's a basic step-by-step on how to do this. First, you can simply become a member. You see, you need a Costco membership to shop in their warehouses and access member-only pricing on groceries. You can also buy in bulk using wisely. Purchase larger quantities of items you use frequently and that have a long shelf life or can be frozen. Calculate the per unit price to ensure it's cheaper than smaller packages elsewhere. You can also look for Kirkland signature products. Opt for Costco's house brand, which is Kirkland signature, as these items are often high quality and significantly cheaper than national brands. You can shop the sales and spot discounts. Pay attention to items with prices ending in .97, clearance, or other endings like 0.89, 0.79, and stuff like that. This indicates a markdown or a sale. Check the signs in the warehouse for current deals. You can also utilize the rotisserie chicken. The pre-cooked rotisserie chicken is consistently priced low and can be a cost-effective meal base. Check for coupons and instant saving. You see, if you look for the monthly coupon book or check the Costco website app for instant savings deals on various grocery items to save you. Also consider an executive membership if you spend enough. If your annual spending at Costco is high enough, the 2% annual reward from an executive membership can more than offset the higher fee, resulting in overall savings. Hope you found this video helpful.